All right, guys, so behind me I have my good friend Matt and my good friend Kylie from Alberta, and they come out on vacation and I make them work. Hey Matt, can you tell everyone what we're working on right now?
Cockroach bins.
Cockroach bins. So we have our rat setup going. Now we're doing a cockroach setup. And it's a very involved process, but I want to make the easiest, best cockroach breeding system. So we have the bins and Matt is putting ventilation in, and then throughout the rest of the video, we're gonna go through the rest of the process as we go. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of nice standing here doing nothing while they work. Now we got the holes drilled in all the lids. Matt is kind of opening the heat tape so I can get a wire in there. Heat tape is to heat all the bins up. I am wiring up all the heat tape to an extension cord plug, and then Kylie is taping all of the heat tape to the bottom of the bin. And then once we get all 8 of these done, we'll show you what the next step is. All right, so all the heat tape is attached, and then all that heat tape goes into this power bar. There's 1 per side, so we're using 4 of the 6 spots for the power bar. And then we've got a probe under here attached to this one, which is connected to this thermostat. So when we plug that in, that heat tape will be able to temperature control all of these bins because cockroaches like heat. And that's gonna be the exact same system on this side. Okay, so the thermostats are on, everything's plugged in. We've got them set for around 30 degrees Celsius or 95 Fahrenheit, something like that. So these will start to heat up. This one's already at 29 degrees, which is great. And now we just fill these with the soil we have here. And then we're gonna add our cockroaches. So this is the old cockroach bin from the back we had going. Now, the big thing for me is I want a lot more vertical height. These I can't put up, so we want the egg crate in there. Now, if you come in close, and Kylie hates cockroaches, but there's a lot of cockroaches in here, so we want to make sure they have lots of space, so we have a lot more egg crate put in there. And if you look through, there's just tons of cockroaches in the soil. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a few more of these in to this bin, so we can really get some good height here. And the nice thing is the cockroaches can't climb out of this. So we'll put 3 in for now. And that's on camera.
Don't.
So for those wondering what just happened, Kylie is terrified of cockroaches. And that bleeping was Kylie swearing because Matt came up and scared the crap out of Kylie and she thought it was a cockroach. Anyway, so now we're gonna go here. This is gonna be a little tricky. I didn't think this way through. I already put soil in this one. You know what, we're gonna do a different bin because I already put soil in this one. So we're gonna go to this bin here and take the lid off of it because, it's poor planning here on the lid. I didn't think of this way through, but to get the lids off is a bit of a pain in the butt. I guess I can push that through that way. All right, so lid's off here. And then we should be able to feel the warmth come through, which is awesome. And then we are just gonna dump this bin into this bin, because there is no way to just pick up all the cockroaches. So we're just gonna go in here, we'll set it down, we'll tap here, and are you helping with the cockroaches? Look at you, Kylie.
Don't even.
Okay, there we go. So now you can see them all scurrying around in there, a little dusty. So there we go. There is our first bin of the new setup for cockroaches. I'm gonna put some more soil in there, some more egg crate, but that is it. And that's gonna be our whole new setup for breeding cockroaches. We'll have all 8 of these going with the cockroaches, so we can hopefully, in the next few months, start actually supplying cockroaches for feeders or for breeders from Wild Education. Thanks for watching.